This is Jim Emter, Ahn and Company, Alexandria, Minnesota, with your closing grain and livestock comments for May 8th, 2020. Corn up 1 1/4, beans up 6 1/4, Chicago wheat down 1/2, Minneapolis up 4 1/4, Kansas City up 1 1/4 on the week. Corn market up 7 1/2, beans up 1 1/2, wheat market Chicago up 8, Minneapolis steady, Kansas City up 22, but those are the weeklies with May expiration coming here upon us. Corn truly in July was only up 3/4 cent, beans up 1, Chicago wheat up 5 1/2, Minneapolis up 9 1/4, and Kansas City down 3. As you look to the markets coiling in here, we've got base support. We're looking at breakout levels in July. If we can get above 331, we originate upside price counts. Dees 343, July 898, and November 887 for the soybeans. And it's just a matter of if we can get above those, then we can start talking some upside price counts. For right now, we're kind of stuck in consolidation range. Feeder cattle down 237 1/2, lives up 67 1/2, hog market down 150. On the week, we saw feeder cattle up 1007 1/2, lives up 740, and hogs up 442 1/2. Cash cattle trade are 95 to basically 110. We saw 145 to 185 dress, just crazy windows, and it's a matter of whether you can find a slaughterhouse or not, or a kill market. Cutouts were extremely high, or a lot higher this week. And like I said, as we come into next week, it's going to be about how much slaughter capacity can we have, because there's a number that just cannot find a way into these slaughter plants. When you look to the price counts, August, we're 103 and 111 here if we can accelerate to this top side. So some good development. Now it's a matter of following through. Hog market, similar story. Pork index very strong, up to $66. Slaughter capacity continues to be a limitation, and a lot of producers struggling to find that, and so that's the catch-22. Cutouts firm, inability to find a cash-ready market to get these hogs into. 74 and 86 are the next price counts for June's, and that's what we'll be focusing in on next week. This has been Jim Emter, Ahn and Company, Alexandria, Minnesota. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and is not suitable for all producers. Past performance is not indicative of future results. This is a solicitation. Have a great afternoon.